Thanks to the sponsor of the video JLCPCB, their 6-layer PCB comes with free via in pad, allowing vias to be placed directly in pads. This helps engineers to shorten traces, save board space, and effectively solve routing challenges while designing PCB. Additionally, JLCPCB offers free ENIG2U, surface finish and conducts 4-wire low resistance via inspection to ensure optimal PCB performance. With excellent quality and competitive pricing, JLCPCB is always my top choice. Now, JLCPCB's 6-layer PCBs are on a special deal. For a limited time, you can grab a $20 discount coupon. Don't miss out on this opportunity.